Hey, and welcome to the club. Ready to make something lovely for your home? With its simple but impactful message, you'll love this month's Club Couture project. Your Club Couture shipment this month comes with everything you see here: the B-sized Less House, More Home transfer, and 3 paste singles in Regal, Tide, and Cadet. The surface I've chosen is the 9x12 box frame, and I've gathered some small dishes to use for the paste singles. I also have a couple of squeegees, my transfer trimmers, a fuzzing cloth, and a water bath nearby for quick cleanup. I'll start by peeling the transfer from the backer and get it pressed onto the fuzzing cloth to pick up some lint, which helps it to not be overly sticky, and then get it positioned right in the center of the board. I'll make sure there are no wrinkles or bumps and smooth it out. With this lovely jewel-toned palette, I just have to decide which one to use, and I think I'll go with Regal for the first color. I'll prep my paste single by kneading the packet just a bit, then snip the corner off and squeeze some out into my dish. I'll do the same with my Tide paste as well, by kneading the packet just a bit, snip the corner off and squeeze some out into my dish. Now I'll load up my small squeegee with Regal and smooth it just over the words, making sure I cover all the screened areas. Then, using my mini squeegee, I'll use the Tide paste to chalk just the little house in the middle. And now the best part, lifting the corner, then working my way over so I don't stretch the transfer. I can peel it off the surface, and there it is. This one is so fast and so cute. It's a simple but custom reminder for your home on what's really most important.